the 2017 Holiday Luxe Blush Acrylic. It is the 2017 Lush. It is the 2017 Holiday Luxe Brush Collection. I can't even say that. Oh my gosh, I really can't even say that. This is crazy. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video, and as you guys can tell from the title, it is part 2 of my unboxing experience from the I Shop Too Much haul. One of the boxes is from Sports Research, aka Sweet Sweat, and the other one is from E.L.F Cosmetics, and then the packages behind me in the little plastic baggies are actual bags of clothes. And I want to do like a try on with you guys. Anyways, so we're gonna get into the E.L.F Cosmetics haul, but I am going to open for you the Sports Research box first so you guys can actually see what a Sweet Sweat belt is. I talked about it in my Zumba video. If you guys know, I have been doing Zumba just to get back in shape. I've been doing this since September and I've been seeing results, and then this girl that I used to go to school with, she actually has a Sweet Sweat belt, and so I asked her, I was like, okay, I've seen this sponsor, like where did you get it, like what size do you have? And so I decided to get it for myself. I would love to take some weight off of my middle section, so I'm definitely going to open that right now so you guys can at least see the belt. So there you guys have it. This is the Sweet Sweat belt that I got. Get your sweat on is what it says. Sweet Sweat waist trimmer for women and men. So I got the belt in the shade of yellow. They also have a pink one, but I want yellow because I want yellow. Comes in this little durable bag. And then this is the Sweet Sweat workout enhancer. I actually bought the stick version of it too, so I will actually describe it in that, but you do get a free little sample package in your Sweet Sweat belt. I am not going to put this on as of right now, but I will keep you guys updated on how I like this. This is the, I think I ordered a large. Yeah, this is the large. So it's very, very stretchy. The large is supposed to fit a waist size up to 48 inches, I think. The width of it is up to 10 inches. So I like the fact that it comes in like this little pouch, this little mesh pouch, which keeps it breathable even after you work out in it. So that way I could just put this right in my gym bag and go about my workout for that day or that night. And the second thing, as I mentioned, I did grab the Sweet Sweat workout enhancer in the scent of coconut. This one is actually a roll-on stick. There is a cream version of it, if I'm not mistaken. And what this is this like a roll-on stick. You literally roll it on your abdominal area before you put the Sweet Sweat belt on. It actually helps you sweat even more. Either way, I will put all the information down below, and I also put the information along with the picture. I'll open this E.L.F box, and I got this during the E.L.F holiday sale, so I actually got a lot of items for a price that was amazing. So E.L.F already has good deals on things anyway, but you guys will see what I got, and let's go ahead and get into that. Alright, so thing number one that I got, for those of you who know how E.L.F Cosmetics works, especially on their website, they do sell it in drugstores, they do sell it as Ulta, and for those of you who know how it works for the .com version, they usually have a promotion all the time where they're usually doing a free 4-piece kit, free 3-piece kit for, you know, if you spend over $25 or $20 or $15 or whatever. And so for this time, this was called the Glow Kit. So you have the Shimmering Facial Whip in the shade Pink Lemonade, perfect for highlighting for your eyes, cheeks, or lips. Illuminates for a dewy finish without a sticky or greasy feeling. Next, you have the Baked Eyeshadow. Probably can't tell, but it is very, very, very peachy and very, very hard as well. It is oh my. Alright, so this one is extremely dried out, which I'm not really happy about. I mean, it did come in as with the free kit, but like I'm like rubbing this and like nothing, like barely anything is coming off. Yeah, I don't know how much use I'm gonna get out of this, but it looks pretty, and I guess I'll use it as a shelf prop, I guess. Next we have the Dramatic Lash Kit. For those of you who watch my channel know that I'm not a huge eyelash person, but these are beginner lashes, so I can try to start using them. I don't see a problem with it. It does have a very thin band. You probably can't see that, but it is an extremely thin band. So there you go. But I'll see what I can work with. Like I said, I'm not a huge eyelash person or falsies person. I usually like using just my falsies mascara from Maybelline, but never hurts to try, especially if something's free. So fourth thing that I got is the High Shine Intense Gloss in the shade Crushed Berries. And this highly pigmented high shine liquid lipstick, non-sticky and comfortable formula, enriched with vitamin E to help hydrate and nourish lips. And there you have that. And last but not least, in this free package, I got the E.L.F 3-in-1 mascara in the shade Very Black. Apparently this is a new formula for something that they did before. So there is that. And that is the applicator. All right, so to the actual items that I actually paid for. First of all, can I just say how beautiful this packaging is? Like, it has like a glossy box with like the mirror shimmer sides. This is very pretty, very well done. In the 2017 Luxe brush collection is, first of all, my favorite, all-time favorite foundation brush as of right now, the Ultimate Blending Brush, which I already have and I still use. So thank you for giving me a backup. That's why I basically kind of ordered this, because it has a backup for my favorite brush. Second brush is the Eyeshadow C brush, the contour brush. Then you have the Flawless Concealer brush, the small angled brush, the eyebrow dual brush, the small stipple brush, and a blush brush. For me to get this set for $10 and the Ultimate Blending Brush by itself is $8. Come on now, you can't even beat that. Yeah, you're getting a full size. You're not getting no like deluxe trial size. You're getting a full size. And thing about these is, thankfully, they are labeled, unlike my Makeup Revolution brushes that I was literally looking online, and these actually are labeled with what they are called. Thank you, E.L.F. Next up, we have another brush. This is the Dual Defense Cleansing Facial Brush from E.L.F. as well. This is part of their Beauty Shield collection. So if you have like face mask or anything with cream, that's like a spatula on one side and then you have the brush on the other. So that's what they call it, a dual-ended face brush. So I'm not even gonna open this. I'm gonna move on to the next item. The next item is going to be the Prime and Stay Finishing Powder in Dark Deep. This is the darkest shade it comes in, and it says you can use it alone or you can use it as a finishing powder on top of your foundation or anything else. Next up is this Baked Eyeshadow Trio in the shade Smoky C. This one is way more soft than the other baked eyeshadow. This one doesn't feel dried out. It feels exactly how it's supposed to feel. So there are those three, white, gray, and then blue. Next up we have the Gel and Powder Eyebrow Kit in the shade Dark. As you guys know, I am going through the trial session of learning how to do brows. 2018 will be the year of my brows, getting 100% better. So why not start low end and then work my way up to high end until I get better with brows? And what better way than to do it than with this little product right here. Moving along. Oh, this is like, I was so excited to try this, and I'm still excited to try it. This is called the Pop of Glitter Makeup Transformer Gel in the shade Glided Bronze. So what this is it gives a glitter glow to anything you apply on lips, face, cheeks, neck, eyes, shoulder, pants, shoes, wiping down, all that stuff. Gloss like thing. You guys remember how like hair store lip glosses used to come out like that? Look how beautiful that is. That is like extremely beautiful. And it doesn't feel like extremely glittery. It just feels like a less thick lip gloss. That's all it feels like. And once it dries, it dries. So this is another brush that I got. This is the Cheek and Cream Powder Brush. Also, I have the Shimmer Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Inspire. It is a radiant, lightweight formula. And this one is in the shade Believe. Is that it? Oh! I bought too. Once again, I shopped too much because I don't even know what I bought. So here is another brush that I got. This is a highlighting brush. Now that I think about it, I don't even remember buying a highlighting brush, but whatever, I paid for it, it's bought. Anyways, I have a highlighting brush. So the other one, the other cream and powder brush is gonna be used for blushes, and this is gonna be used for highlighting, duh, common sense. And then I have an extra powder brush on top of three other highlighting brushes, powder brushes that I have. I don't think it's necessary. You know what, I can't do it. I can't do it. I just can't. I was trying to hold it all up for you guys, but I just can't. I'm feeling it right now. So I will insert a picture of everything that I got laid out, and I will definitely make sure to attach the prices or information down below for you guys. If you guys have any questions, please comment that down below as well. And I have to like stack this up somewhere and figure out where I want to put this until I use it. It's all coming together. So thank you guys so much for watching the I Shop Too Much haul part 2. I will catch you guys for sure in my next one. Peace.